Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Patrice Kleur's Scrapping Journaling. Okay, let's go. I have a big bundle journal kit. Look, how many? And it's one page, printed of one pages. I am not ready, but with the bundle, I am ready. It's Celestial Garden from, Mindfull Images. Okay, you know, Amphiria, I cannot speak well Amphiria and Amphirias, so I say die cuties. In this kit, journaling kit, is in 10 die cuties pages, 21 double pages, and it's gorgeous. When I see it for the first time, I thought, wow, only wow, I have no words for it. Okay, here we go. I printed on 160-gram paper. You can see, look, all the flowers, the gold, there's lots of it. Flowers, butterflies, pearls, lace, paper, whiting paper, lines, whatever. Look, more. Everything where you see, nothing is the same. Look, I say wedding cards, lace. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I go a little bit of quick, so otherwise I can talk about an hour, 2 hours. On the back, I will print other stuff. It's not from Mindful, but I need to make my journal. Look, cards, envelopes, flowers, golds, blue, blue, light blue, dark blue, jeans blue. A jewel. Wow, she nailed it. She rocks. She rocks. It's so gorgeous. This one. Look at the gold. Gold. Here, another one. Look at this bottle. I think it is a bottle. And the lace. You can see the lace? Wait, maybe so. It's so freaking amazing. Too. Okay, next. My die cuties. White, off-white, gold, blue. I have printed this on 300 grams paper. It's so nice. It looks like wood panels. Yes. We call this in Dutch Delfts blauw. So amazing. Wow. Belly bands. Yeah. Little pockets. This one. This you can use for pockets. Can hold it right so. Yeah. This one I printed twice. Okay. You know me, I use always my sticker pages. And it's a lot of Delft's blue, so I can put it everywhere. So I have stickers. I will, oh no, wait. This one is on a kind of photo paper, but this one I want to use for the back and front of the cover. So also I go to try to make tassels, I think, I hope. Lots and lots of ink, and well, I show it you in videos. So I started first with the covers, but I must think how to do the cover. Okay, I see you next time, I hope. Are you satisfied on this video? Flip through. Let's give me a like, give a comment, subscribe, do everything what you like. Okay, bye bye.